Welcome back and continuing the news. The National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, says it will continue round-the-clock operations until the fire at the Myersville Disposal Facility in St. Elizabeth is fully contained. The commitment comes even as residents near the facility remain on edge as heavy smoke from the lingering fire continues to affect nearby communities. Sandy Williams explains.
A towering plume of smoke drifting across communities, forcing residents to shut windows, doors, and cover faces. The fire, first detected on Friday, quickly escalated into what officials are now calling a difficult and dangerous operation.
On Friday afternoon, that's the 17th, we got a call. Naturally, we do have fire protocols here. So once a fire is detected, however minute the fire may be, a call has to be placed through the landfill supervisor, landfill manager, to the landfill director.
The fire department was notified immediately, but what seemed routine quickly turned into a crisis.
This one, though, proved extremely difficult because of the wind velocity. The wind was so strong that even the fire brigade personnel had to retreat.
With visibility near zero and thick smoke choking the air, firefighters made the call to stand down, putting safety first.
It would be dangerous for the men to go in and then be trapped in that smoke where they can't see anything. The visibility is just not conducive to their safety. We watched it on Saturday, nothing changed in terms of the wind, nothing changed on Sunday. It was only today that we were able to get in and begin.
For residents nearby, the delay has come at a cost. Complaints mounting over the persistent smoke, concerns growing about health impacts, and frustration building as the fire continued to burn through the weekend.
We are moving cover material on, and we are trying to get the covering going towards the fire so that as we prepare the area and as we move closer to the actual fire itself, then the fire truck will then come in and the brigade will start their work. We are going to be working around the clock to ensure that we wrap this up within another 48 hours, 72 hours.
The agency is now appealing for patience as the smoke continues to linger. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.